Napapansin mo ba na parami ng parami ang moles or nunal mo sa face and neck? Dati naman wala siya, pero bakit ngayon dumadami siya? So guys, ang tawag sa mga moles or nunal ay nevus. Kung titignan natin ito sa microscope, they look like nests of melanocytes. And yung melanocytes na yon, sila yung mga pigment cells sa ating katawan. Meaning, sila yung cells na nagka-create ng pigment. Kaya if those nests of melanocyte create pigment, then it's visible to the naked eye as your nevus or as your nunal. Pero guys, alam nyo ba na meron ding mga nunal na meron na tayo since birth or nandoon na sila sa ating skin pero hindi sila nagpo-produce ng pigment. So as long as these nests of melanocyte do not produce pigments, then hindi po natin siya makikita or basically invisible siya sa naked eye. So as we age and as the nests of melanocytes are exposed to the changes in hormones and also at the same time na-expose siya sa UV radiation habang tumatanda tayo, dito siya unti-unti or gradually nagpo-produce ng pigment. Kaya as it produces the pigment, slowly nakikita po natin siya or nagiging visible siya sa naked eye. Pero that doesn't mean na wala na sila there to begin with. Nandun na po sila pero when we were young, most likely po hindi pa sila nagpo-produce ng pigment. Meron naman po tayong tinatawag na de novo. Ibig sabihin tumubo talaga yung nunal doon. Ang mga situations na ganito ay maaaring cause ng genetic factors, again exposure sa UV radiation and sun and heat, and other unknown factors. And yung pinaka-rare instance po na dumadami yung nunal sa buong katawan is it might be caused by a genetic syndrome. Pero usually yung mga syndromes na ito, since birth, nagkakaroon na po talaga ng noticeable increase ng nunal sa different parts of the body. Pero guys, the face and neck can develop lesions that look like nunal pero hindi pala sila nunal. So they can be dermatosis papulosa nigrans, there can be seborrheic keratosis, or something else. So if hindi kayo sure guys no kung ano yung tumutubo sa face and neck ninyo or other parts of your body, if you suspect na parang weird yung itsura ng nunal na to, just comment below or you can send a message or contact your board certified dermatologist para maka-make sure kayo. Okay guys, I hope this helps. For more skin tips from a board certified dermatologist, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!